how old that one is, huh? Nice silver ring, right? Like a 15, all jumpy and crusty. This guy got 2 gold rings, so he's inspired me to go a little bit lower with the numbers. I'm gonna clean that baby up real nice. All right, Thomas the Detector. I'm on dry land, man. Doesn't happen very often because I usually don't get too lucky on dry land, but I got 2 Wheaties. Here's Robbie. Robbie, what do you got? Bullets? 3-ringer?
Bullets, Indian hats.
Super. He's gonna send me pictures and I'll post them on the video. All right, Robbie, new member of Plunder Down Under. Let's rock and roll. All right, we got a silver. I knew it. Oh my God, look, it looks brand new.
Yeah.
No wonder you thought it was...
Yeah. Show us a 27.
You sure?
Yeah, 1952. Is it?
Let me grab the picture. Yeah. All right, give me a fist pump. All right.
Silver number, I don't even know.
All right, scoping out a local park near my house. Ocean County, Monmouth County, probably right on the border. Check this out. Little 27 signal, little silver ring. Looks like it says 925 on the inside. Go home and clean it out. Yeah, it's cute, huh? Little heart. All right. All right, guys, it's Thomas the Detectorist back at the bay. Yesterday I did a little hunt in Bricktown and got a little silver ring. That was pretty cool. And then I met my boys up at a park in Middlesex County. I pulled out some Wheaties, but today I'm really here for the silver coins. Yeah, two guys from Plunder Down Under Facebook group showed up. Shawn and I forgot the other guy's name. I'll have to ask him in a little bit. We're gonna hit an epic low tide, and I'm glad I made a nice little breakfast this morning. I did some tiny taters, I did some bacon and chocolate chip pancakes. Daughter really appreciated that. Got all my responsibilities out of the way today, so low tide, good 4 or 5 hour hunt. 2 dudes from Plunder Down Under. This should be a lot of fun. All right, check this out. Shawn just gave me this beautiful, what'd you say, Chilean?
It's a Chilean.
Chilean, like Chilean sea bass. Yeah. Came off a shipwreck off of Jersey.
Tolton.
World War II, right?
World War
With
II.
Tolton.
Torpedo.
It's pretty.
Bad day.
Almost looks silver, but he says it's an alloy.
Yeah, they are.
That's really cool. And I forgot your first name.
John.
John and Shawn. All right. Bunch of Irish guys going out metal detecting today. All right. Wish us luck. Thank you, brother. That's cool. I appreciate that. All right. First old coin is a WHITEY. And I'm going to get a date off of this guy. He's not in bad shape. You can see the back. Has those old-fashioned wheats around the edges. 1 cent. All right. As Shawn pulls out a barber for today,
Any date on it?
I can't see it yet.
19. I can't see it. All right, good job, guys. Awesome. All right, Whitey gets it. Oh, that's an old ring. Wow.
Liking that.
That's really cool. It's got like a heart on it.
Yep.
Very nice, very nice. Cool.
Let's go.
Fun, yeah! Alrighty, Tommy's on the board with a, I'm guessing it's a Mercury. It was actually on the surface. It was like right there. Can you see it? I'll clean it up for you. Cool. All right, so Matt from under the surface by with his kids. You can actually see him way down there, and ever since he comes by, I always get lucky. All right, second silver, little Roosevelt. Excellent, thanks, Matt. You're my good luck charm. All right, this is so cool. Look, I found like the front of a boat. That's old, man. Old and cool. Look at that. And we're got that car, and now I got a front of a boat. So this is a groovy place. Wow, look how old that one is, huh? Nice silver ring, rang up like a 15, all jumpy and crusty. This guy got 2 gold rings, so he's inspired me to go a little bit lower with the numbers. I'm gonna clean that baby up real nice. All right, me and Craig, we're killing this spot. Just pulled out another silver. This one's a quarter. And maybe he'll let us know what he got. Maybe not. This is turning out to be a really great day. Met a new guy named Craig. About 5 or 6 guys from Plunder Down Under followed us. They were finding barbers and all kinds of stuff. I got a 28 signal, so we're gonna do it. Oh, there it is. Never mind. Regular quarter. Better luck next time. Everybody went home except for me and Craig, or Greg. But Mercury didn't leave me. Yeah, look at her. She's beautiful right there. Tide's coming in. So I gotta get back to the hunt, guys. We'll do the roundup. We'll go over all the groovy things. Found another ring too. I gotta show you that one too. All right, be right back. Got Mary.
Time to go.
Got Mary. That's 925 silver. Sweet. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me today, brother. All right, got myself a cool star brick. And I also got a bonus signal here because we lost the tide. We lost Greg. And let's see what we got. I'm guessing it's just a penny. But you never know at this beach, man. It might be under the sand. Let me come back. Ooh, maybe it's not. Ready? I thought I saw something silver. Oh, it's a Mercury. Man, I think that's like 6 today. Maybe I'm overdoing it. Maybe 5. Awesome. Rang up like a 20. That's great. What a day. What a day. All right, I don't want to jinx myself, but I think I got another loud, long, high signal in the same hole. Wouldn't that be great? Mercury dime coin spill. Let's go find out. I guess you can consider it a coin spill. It's a Wheatie, so she's old. All right, let's go look for some more. All right, so right over there, I found that groovy genie. Remember that genie ring? And I got something. I thought I saw something black over here. Black's a good color for coins. It's probably just a Wheatie. Yeah. Wheatie. Are you ready for another bonus dig? I have no idea what it is. I believe it's a penny, but let's go check it out. I don't know what happened to it. Found it just like a little piece of copper. Yeah, the tide's coming. Last of the bonus digs. I got a greenie. Right there. Greenie usually means penny. But I gotta get moving. Maybe a Wheatie. I don't know. Maybe a Memorial. All right. Maybe a couple more bonus digs. I gotta get out of here. All right. Another incredible day at the beach on the bay. Let's go clean up those coins and rings and see what we got. Lady on the front, let's take a look. He's got a $50.
Yep. 18.
Oh,
18.
God, it's a barber $50, bro.
Yep.
That's awesome.
That's the first one for me.
What year?
I don't know. Hold on.
Let me get a little sunlight.
Jeez. I'm in the water.
That's awesome, man. That's awesome.
Can't see. 1890.
Woo. It's a 94, you're a millionaire.
1895.
That might be a really
95 or
good year.
93.
Wow.
1893, I think.
Hot. Give me a fist pump. Fist pump. Hey, that's Alrighty. It took a while. Not in the spot I expected. Not in bad shape either. Look at that. Might be able to date off of that. One silver for the night. Only came down for a couple hours. You saw Rob get that barber $50, but I'll take the Mercury dime. I believe it's number 47. 41 plus 5. 47 for the year, baby. All right, I might be signing off. Otherwise, we're just going to have bonus days because there wasn't much time to do any detecting tonight.